One of the most amazing places here in Hua Hin is Takiab. Here is Takiab beach with beautiful panorama and sunset. Just taking you around a little bit, see what's happening here in Hua Hin. So stay focused. See you soon, guys. One of a giant, protecting the bay. Tonight we will check out the Tamarin market. One of the most beautiful food markets in Hua Hin. Let's check it out. Tonight we will check out the Cicada market and the Tamarin market. Tamarin market is one of the greatest food markets in Hua Hin. Looks alive.
Coconut jelly.
Coconut jelly. Good. Thank you. Coconut jelly. It's okay. It's alive. Welcome to Cicada Market, one of the most beautiful markets in Hua Hin. Let's check it out. So, walking over the Cicada Market, we have a beautiful picture of our queen. She had birthday a few days ago. Let's celebrate. Saint Mazai. As you can see, Cicada Market is all about art and design. Fresh pineapple juice. Amazing. Right. You need to get inked up. Let's get inked up, man. Thank you for watching my video. Follow me for my next vlog. Please subscribe, like, and ring the bell. See you soon, people.